What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna highlight Colaz Smith TV, guys. When someone is doing good, especially to the community, to the country, beautiful country of Jamaica, we have to give them their highlight. Guys, it's sometimes it's only when someone do something bad we talk about it. But how about talk about the good? Colaz Smith team in Kingston is here cooking and preparing food to serve to the homeless in Kingston. Guys, Colaz Smith TV need to get some more ratings. If someone do 80% good and 20% bad, everybody run with the 20% bad and they leave the 80% behind. How about highlight this awesome job that Colaz Smith and his Kingston team is doing? Guys, this touched me. It really touched me. Colaz Smith TV, pick up yourself. You are doing a great job. Let no one, absolutely no one, stop you from doing the good. Let no one take away the goodness that you have in your heart that you're sharing with the less fortunate. Thank you so much, Colaz Smith TV. Keep up the good work. Kingston team, pick up yourself. You are doing an excellent job. Colaz Smith, you're gonna always have some people talk. Some gonna say good, some gonna say bad. Just take the lemon, make lemonade. Continue to keep up the good work. Bless up yourself.